Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping automatic traffic from the Play Store. Open the Play Store and go to your profile, right arrow settings, right arrow network preferences. Once there, set Auto Update Apps to Don't Auto Update Apps so the store won't fetch updates automatically. Make sure notifications and background data settings are noted because you'll change connection rules next. This reduces unexpected data use and prepares the app for the only reliable block method you're about to apply. Keep your device unlocked and you need a local VPN-style firewall because Android doesn't let you fully cut an app's connectivity otherwise. Install a reputable VPN-based firewall that runs locally, for example NetGuard, and grant the minimal VPN permission it requests. Once active, find the Play Store and crucial Google Play services entries and disable both Wi-Fi and mobile data for them. After toggling, apply the rules and ensure the firewall stays enabled on boot. This blocks both foreground and background connections while preserving other apps' internet access. You finish by verifying the block and handling issues. Open the Play Store. It should only show cached content without loading new pages. If the store still connects, turn the firewall rules off and on again, then reboot your device to force the VPN provider to rebind. Make sure battery savers or VPN managers aren't killing the firewall. If problems persist, go to Android App Info for Play Store and revoke network permissions as a fallback. However, the firewall method remains the only consistent non-root solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.